To get some quick ways to make some cash, Scott, let's go to it. Let's go to VHC. Recently has been displaying some exceptional relative strength here, but just kind of didn't do anything.
Well, if you take a quick look here, this was the last time we spoke about it. Above 24, went to new highs. Now it needs to get back above 28.50 for a trade.
All right, let's go to Caterpillar. This was really interesting. A good catalyst yesterday said that worldwide machine sales came in at 52% higher in May, but that's compared to April up 66% and March 61%. So I think that the bears here are going to say, well, growth is slowing, but 52% is huge. Can you still buy? Is this a trade? Will this stock recover?
Yesterday was day one. It bounced off the 200-day. Those looking for an entry long-term in Caterpillar, one of the best companies in America, that's a spot for a tier one and also for a trade. I think it has some more room. If you didn't get in yesterday, I think you could still get in today. This has an easy bounce back to about 103, 105. Then that's the resistance area that the bears are going to have to protect.
All right, let's go to Mali, sort of the day after an upgrade because it closed up 7%. So can you get involved now? Is there a trade here after the big rally?
You know, I don't like this stock. I think too many companies are coming out with these huge price targets, but the price action is just something different. It's a small little trade I would avoid, but if you had to, I think there's like maybe 2-3% more.
All right, let's hit on Walmart here. Received the big news Monday that the Supreme Court stating a civil lawsuit of over 1.5 million women claiming sexual discrimination is out the door because they don't have enough in common to make the charges stick. So do you want to get involved here? Is there extra catalyst juice today?
I don't like exactly the way it traded yesterday. It first spiked off of that news, and that was the reason why the Dow rallied. That's what people at least were saying on TV. Closed off the highs. I still think it has some more work to do before you enter this stock.
And last up, I want to go to Agrium because increased its second quarter guidance on Monday. Received a nice 4% boost on that news. Same kind of question. Do you play it a day after?
Usually it's good to be in the day before, and then you want to see how it acts when the news comes out. I think the ags are still a space that has some upside, but they're acting very sloppy. We saw CF come way off the highs into the base. They need more time. I don't think it's a good cash flow trade because of the sloppy in nature, and as an investment, it needs to prove themselves a little bit further.
And then talking about a day where the news actually breaks, I just want to hit on Nokia really, really fast. Launching their Windows 7 phone in 2011, unveiled new products today. Can you trade it? Because I know that you've told me before we got on camera the chart looks terrible.
Well, how about Nokia and RIM marrying themselves and going to live some far away from the market because both of them have been horrendous.
But at least Nokia is the largest device shipment maker in the world of cell phones. At least they got that going for it.
But the market cap is huge, and no one's going to say they're a takeover story. So they can keep getting cheaper and be unloved. I guess it's $6. If you had to enter, so many people have tried it. We're flat here. Maybe take a little stab, but I don't think it's worth your time. There's much better things out there.